I'm Elson with American Tactical. Now that we are in full production with our MP40 stock kit, we wanted to do an instructional video here on how to actually go in and remove this rear plug to install your MP40 stock kit. The first thing, whenever you receive your MP40 stock kit, it's going to come fully assembled, so you need to go through and you'll tear it apart, which you're going to have your right arm, left arm, your stock, spring, lock lug. This is going to be your roll pin. You've got 2 springs, 2 detents, and 2 screws. This is a 5/64 screw. So if we look over here, we've also got our tools laid out there. We're going to need a 5/64 Allen head, a punch, hammer, and then a Dremel. The Dremel we're going to go through and we're going to use to remove this lug here. Alright, so what we've done to go through and make sure we were able to import this pistol is we had to go through, according to ATF, we had to go in and put this, weld this lug in the back side, and all it is just a washer with a small screw through it, and it's welded on both sides. So to get that off, what we're going to do is we're going to use our Dremel with a cutting wheel, and we're going to go through, and all we're going to do is just like this, back and forth, to cut that weld down until we're able to go through and remove this slug from both the front side and the back side. So we're going to go ahead and get started and cut on that right now. Now we've got our rear plug out, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start our assembly. We're going to take our arm, we're going to fit it in here like this, and you'll feel it whenever it slides in. Spring, our lock up, and then what we're going to do here also is we're going to go ahead and start our roll pin. Makes it a little bit easier. Just get him started good. It's going to fit over here. And we're going to get all this fit together. Alright, so we got our pin started. We're going to go ahead and drive our pin in. We'll come back up here with our punch. Drive our roll pin in nice and flush, and then we're ready to go ahead and put our stock on. So we've got 2 springs and 2 detents. So we're going to go spring, detent, and then same thing on that, flip him over. We're going to go spring and detent. Once we've got that done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure we're installing our butt plate the correct way. I would go ahead also, whenever you do your assembly, is add a little blue Loctite here to this screw. Get it tightened up good. We're going to move over to the other side. We're going to line him up. Now we've got our butt plate screws in. We're going to check it. We got good lock up on the underfold. Push the button in. Rotate it around. Good lock up there. And there we go. That's the installation of our stock kit for our MP40.